Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see about attach image. You can easily attach image with mail that which in attach for the specific task. So let's see about that. You can see here our module their task sent by mail. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects, go to task, go to anyone like a chair cabinet and attach image. See here this send by mail, click on and you can see here attached image is also attached with email. Now click on this send button. Now go to settings, go to emails. See here your mails, chair cabinet, stage done, and see here document related to this task are attached with this email. Now click on this view task and see here this email with image. Thank you.